Hello, this is Brandon will be clean. We are here on a strip and wax on a VCT floor here. You can see it's composite tile and has some wax on there from the last person. These are those three little areas are there. Those are the test spots that I did stripping up the old wax. We're using a very, very high stripper. It's very acidy, very strong, and it's made by Buckeye. And that is what's going to take all this off. It's mainly for take off sealers, which is a lot stronger, but I have no idea what this is. The customer of the home had no idea what this is. So instead of playing around with it using 2 or 3 different strippers, we're just going to go right for it and use the main best top one, the tank, and take it all out. And that's what it looked out to come with, so we're not going to waste any time. As you can see, we're prepping the area, sweeping it, getting all the dirt and dust off, because then afterwards we're going to be laying down some wax here. All right, stay tuned. All right, so now we're putting down the stripper. Open the grill out going on here. Oh, let's look at that back there. See the color difference? Wait till we apply this on here. You can see it's coming up already. Look at that. It's coming up already. Just by the stripper. And that's rubbing it. We didn't even scrub it yet. So using the right products really makes a difference. It's whether you're going to be here for, 3 to 4 hours, or do you want to be here for 2 hours? It's up to you. You want to use the cheap stuff? By all means, go ahead. Strip the floor 3-4 times. Wasting time. Get you the good stuff. Gets it in one go. Saving time, saving the customer's time. You're doing a great job. Getting great results. So what I'm doing is keep on applying this. We're going to let it sit here for 15 minutes. I'm going to let this sit and just soak. All right. Really work this out. Move this water around. Put it all back in here. Nice and wet. Alright, stay tuned. Now we're going to let it sit for 15 minutes. Stuff's real strong, so we're going to leave the room. Alright, we started stripping the floor, and I just wanted to show you. As you can see the difference on the floor. See how it's dark on the corners there? In the middle, that's just one pass here. So that's what we're doing here. I'll show you another area. This area over here. How it's dark and gray. Got that wax on there. Look at that. Go on. Alright. That's what we're doing with the whole floor. You can even see the color difference. It's a lot brighter in the color here. There's no difference in the lighting here. It's just, you can just tell that. Look at that. Alright, so we're brightening this floor up, trying to get it clean and scrub. And then we're going to go ahead and shop back the rest of this. My partner here is going to take over. Wait for the end result. So we got it all scrubbed up. See all the dirt here? Alright, we got all the wax and everything all emulsified. He's getting the corners here. And we're going to shop back it up. Get the shop back going. stabilized the floor and we just laid our first coat of wax on there. See how shiny it is? It's not going to dry that way. We're going to have to put about 2 to 3 coats on here for it to get that shine. But I'm just showing you, we just laid down our wax here, and this is how it's coming along. So stay tuned for the end result. When we do these type of stripping waxes, we don't leave until the floor is completely dry. Alright, there it is. All finished. Alright, stay tuned.